For this one, we call that if point P is reflection of Q, point Q, in plane S, then vector PQ or QP vector is perpendicular to S and midpoint of P and Q lies on plane S. So with this in mind, let's first note that the plane given r vector equals to minus t j cap plus 1 plus p k cap is simply x plus y plus z equals to 1. Following this, that means the vector perpendicular to the plane is one of the vector rather is I plus j plus k cap. So that gives us the line PQ. It simply becomes x minus tan let's say this is t. That gives us x equals to also we have x plus y plus z equals to 1, which becomes 3t plus 45, which means t equals to minus 44 by 3. So what we are doing is we are solving the line which joins P and Q with the plane, the given plane, so that we will get the point of intersection, which is in fact the midpoint of line PQ. So the point of intersection becomes minus 14 by 3 comma using this and this 1 by 3 comma 16 by 3. So this is the sum of the plane and line PQ, and also the midpoint of PQ. So we now have P, we have the midpoint of PQ, so we also have Q. So that gives us alpha plus tan by 2 equals to minus 14 by 3. I am using the midpoint formula. So the point Q is alpha, beta, gamma. Point Q is 10, 15, 20, and point S is alpha, beta, gamma. I messed up the notation. This is S and Q. Yeah, everywhere when I meant the point S, point P, it was Q and Q was S. So here we'll have QS, QS. So this is the midpoint, x coordinate of midpoint of QS, y coordinate, and finally the z coordinate. So this gives us alpha equals to minus 58 by 3, beta equals to 3 and gamma equals to by 3. So alpha plus beta times 3 is actually minus 101. So A option is correct. Beta plus gamma into 3 is minus 71. So B is also correct. Gamma plus alpha times 3 is also 86. So C is also correct. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 129 by 3, which so D is incorrect. So the answer is E comma B comma C. So yeah, this was a routine question and should be done in the first attempt.